I bet it does. I bet it just smears across the window. Didn't you have this car cleaned last week?
Oh yes.
Another, yeah. And now a bird with a massive bum has pooed all over it. Go on.
Nope.
Look at this for content.
Hasn't
No,
done it.
that is rock solid, babes.
Oh, it's on the inside.
What?
Yeah, I already know that thing.
Oh yeah, you're right. It does smudge it. This is like paint.
I think you're gonna have to get a wet wipe when you get out.
Oreo no.
Yeah, that's not helping, hon.
Oreo no.
Babes,
Oreo
left is
no.
up.
Dum dum.
Are we going, Oreo? Where are we going?
Where are we? Yeah. Where are we?
Got in the car, I was like, just following everyone. Where are we going?
Sign already.
Still there though. You're just gonna waste a whole tank of water.
That's why I'm flicking it like that.
What?
Nicely.
Who
More
wants?
side behind us. Now I got a stain on my trousers.
Oh, well, I'm sure you'll get more stains when they jump all over you in a minute.
No, don't sit there. Why don't you just sit down?
That's where we are. So we're gonna try and walk this one if he stops barking. Yeah, Jordan, stop barking. Where are we walking then?
I'm just going to do got to Eagle's
we're here.
Nest.
Well, I'm walking up to there.
Yeah, so we're going to walk over there. That way.
Poo on this dog, isn't it?
Only
Bear
for me.
poo.
There's no bins. I'm just going to leave by the car.
Dog poo. I don't know. Is
That's-
it going to be bins?
That's probably. I reckon that was probably the best option. I don't think so personally. Unless it says otherwise on the sign. Information.
Oh, it's saying that.
Normally have it about a mile.
In 2 hours' time, we'll be going to him. Really, Dad. Really.
Well,
We don't walk back yet. We're tired.
if it gets any worse, I'm sure we can just turn around.
So clock an hour and go right. We're going back now.
So we're out for the whole day last time.
Yeah, you didn't clock that one as well.
Yeah, you clocked that one.
Oh, I
in
think
the
there'd be
nuts.
like a little stream or something.
They're not going in the stream.
Right.
Well, unless you
What
want
you
to
do,
wash
you
it
sit under the blanket, so if they jump on you, you don't get wet. Which way are we going? Wow, look at that.
About an hour's walk, it says.
Oh yeah, you said that, didn't you, about an hour?
Right.
Theoretically, we come out.
Man walking a dinosaur in that way, so we better that way. Just...
Man walking.
What, a massive dog?
No, just went forward or something.
Yeah, it won't be long.
Sick. Was you alright?
Wow, it's so pretty everywhere.
You ready? What this is called?
What's it called?
Called 365 steps.
You looked it up, have you? Or you're really sarcastic? I can never tell.
No. Feel free to count them.
No, I'm okay. I'm breathing. Can't count as well.
Let them go a bit.
That tree's falling down. Look, all those trees falling down. Shame.
Right.
Wow. Okay, here we go. I'm only little. 5'2". That was huge.
We need like steps and to get up the steps.
That was a massive step to get up then. Oh, and this one. This is definitely a walk for an advanced walker. Not a beginner. Oh my gosh. Proper hilly. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty everywhere.
It's alright.
Hey? What? Oh my god.
I try to get the mention up for the tonight.
Wow, look at that tree. Do you know what? I loved this as a kid, wouldn't you, Hun?
Yeah. I don't know with it.
Well, we used to play in the Forest of Dean.
Just feeling my friend was and that was it.
That was great fun. I didn't think the walk was going to be like this. Look at that. Wow. Yep. This is an interesting walk. Wow. Oh, look at all the trees they've cut down. Look, a little cave. This is so cool. Is your shelter for the night, Jordan?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
I'm alright, it's quite fun. Ooh, ugh. Ooh. Oh my gosh, these steps. Oh, there's no handrail. That's good. Ooh. Oh. Hey, the view so far. No? There we go.
No.
So we are.
Up that way. Up.
Oh, he's getting told off. Up there. Good boy. Wowza. That, my breath, was quite the climb. Big drop. Like I say, and suddenly it makes it all worthwhile. Not that I can talk. That's amazing. Well, you keep going. We're so close to the top. Must be anyway. No? I can't. Ooh. Steps are huge, I'm not going to lie. They are absolutely massive. That's such a cool picture though. How hard was that walk? I'll let you tell the camera.
Carry two fat boys up the steps.
These two refused to go up the steps.
Don't blame them.
It was a bit, even I was a bit like, ooh. That's the view so far. Wow. Jordan went back to the car. He couldn't do it. It was too hilly. Too many steps.
That's way back.
Do you want to go back?
No.
Yeah, we have to check Jordan's got back to the car. Oh my gosh. Don't ever come here with dogs, people. It is just... Well,
Oh, you can, but just don't put the foot for it.
in a way, they pulled you up the steps.
Really?
Oh my god. And how high up were some of those steps? I really struggled to climb some of those.
Who put them there?
Yeah, who put them there? Anyway, it looks like it's like straight sailing now. Is it straight sailing? Because I'm done with steps. Oh, sweat is real. So, where are we going now? Huh?
Eagle's Nest.
Eagle's Nest.
Yeah, you can see them in the valley.
Oh,
That's a real photo.
got views there apparently. So we'll take you there. Right, I'm gonna carry on walking. You don't want to hear me breathing so hard. I'll be back. Keep drinking. Go and have a drink. Go and have a drink. All right, just guard me and okay. Good boys. Me, yeah, I will actually. Thanks. Good boys. Oh, sorry. Thank you.
What have you done this time?
Oh my gosh.
You felt that?
So we're just waiting to go down there for the view because you said there's people down there.
There's some people there.
There's some people down there, and I said I don't want to take dogs down there with people. Because he will just bark at everyone, won't you? Sorry about the camera. I do. Sounds like loads of people down there.
Right, yeah. Come here. Come on, come here. Come here.
And spin. They're like looking at me like, why are you spinning around with the camera? You're right. They're pulling you. Oh, you go that way, can you? Back up, is it? So the reason we came for the walk is... Wow. Yeah? That's nice. Eagle's Nest. Eagle's Nest. There's a plaque. What did you say it said? Wye Valley?
Warden.
Oh, Warden, yeah.
Or
Look,
Warden.
people have written in stone as well. Wow. Right then, let's go. Should we head back? Yeah? Been here for about a few minutes, haven't we? We've seen.
Are we done? Are we done, Dope? Are we done? They're obviously going down the steps, aren't they?
Oh my gosh, I don't.
I'd still rather come up them than down them.
I think I would. They were quite slippery, and there was no rails on some of those really, really scary steps. To be fair, some of them were quite scary. Even I was like, oh my gosh, this is dangerous. I'm not a young spring chicken anymore. If I fall, I'm going to fall down hard. See, look at this. Look. Oh my gosh. Right, I'm going to go back. Come on, because kids always love listening to your stories.
No.
Huh?
Not off the top of my head.
No. Where you going, boys? Bye, see you later. Going the other way.
Look, you twist inside.
They have, haven't they?
Oi.
Tree down. We are going off-road. Off-road. Oh my gosh. Luckily, I've got my new walking boots.
Yeah.
So it makes it easy.
They comfy stuff?
There we go. Yeah, they're really comfy. There we go. It's not a tree, it's a bush, isn't it? Part of a tree.
Hey?
It's not really a tree down, is it? It probably could have moved it, but I can't. I've got no strength. The stairs wore me out.
That's why it's still there, 'cause nobody else.
Nobody's got strength after that walk.
Boy, stop.
Oh, there's another tree that's bent. Who's walking who, hun?
The dog will walk in there. Wow.
Yeah, because they're pulling you. Leaving me behind.
It's both of them, isn't it?
I think they've had enough, haven't you? That's what it is. I want to go home now.
No, I think they enjoyed it.
I think they've loved it. Apart from those steps, which you had to carry them up.
Oh, God. Yeah, that was no
Oh. Yeah, that was quite amusing and quite all. Oh. Yeah, just a field. I thought it'd be like a view. Yeah. Cute. I've loved this walk. I'd do this again with just us two, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely with just us two. Definitely more fun with just the without worrying about the dogs. Someone's built a teepee. Oh, it's very well made. Bravo. It's cute.
It's called the upper car park, we're in the lower one.
Oh,
Getting close together.
I thought we were here. We're at the wrong one. We got to keep going.
A mile to go yet.
Miles to go. Way. You alright? Can't really see round.
Do something, wait 5 minutes, I'll sit down.
Dad sat down.
I'll have a sit down, yeah.
Go on then.
So-
Do you want to tell us a story? Because he came back down.
After my hissy fit, I came back down.
It's funny.
And then she came up. She stopped and asked me if I was alright. I said, yeah, no, I'm alright. I've underestimated the walk, and I've gone halfway up, and I've just gone back down again. And she says, honestly, she says she's surprised, no offence, that I managed to get that far, because it's a hard walk. She said she's done it a few times. And she says, are you gonna be alright getting down? I was going, yeah, I'll be fine. And I said, have a nice walk, and she was like, yeah, man, yeah, nice meeting you. I was like, nice meeting you. And then she was about to go off, and then she looks down, and she sort of stops again, and she looks at me and goes, are you wearing slippers? And I'm like, yeah. And she goes, did you do that all the way up? And she goes, and I go, yeah. And she goes, did you slip? A few times. And she goes, don't wear slippers. I'm like,
Don't be slippers.
Right, let's pack up.
Slippers.
I ran it, didn't she?
Yeah, she went past us as well.
She carried on further.
Yeah, because I was in her way and I moved her, oh, I'm really sorry. And she's like, oh, it's fine, don't worry. And then she stood there behind you for ages.
I know she was
No, because she was so quiet running up those steps.
yeah, there was two runners. Did you not see the other one? There was one.
I don't think I did. I didn't see another one walk past us.
She was the only person who went past us.
Really?
Yeah.
So I don't know where the other one
There
went.
was
Oh, we need to get Tyler up, really.
Yeah. There was one with a. The first one was one with an orange shirt, and the second
it's a
one
one.
was a purple shirt. Or something.
Oh, I seen the lady in the orange shirt run past us, but I didn't see the
Yeah, they went-
purple.
yeah.
Maybe it might have gone a different way.
There was the other lady that I talked to.
Right, so we're back. We're done. How long do we do that walk for?
Alright,
So how do you want to do this? I
just like my feet.
Yeah. Boys.
So how long do you reckon it took us then?
We got here.
I reckon it took us.
We got here just before 1 o'clock.
No, try and let one guess.
Oh, sorry.
I reckon it took us about an hour and a half. It feels like we've been out an hour and a half. I don't even know what time we got here though.
Hour 13 and 17 seconds, including me walking back up to get a QR code.
Yeah.
Walking back up.
Was that QR code any good?
I don't know, I think so. And how far do you reckon it was?
Oh my god. Miles.
Oh yeah.
Jordan,
It's got to
how-
be a mile. I did say
Miles? More than that.
Mile, really?
Miles with an S.
I'm struggling.
Go on then, how far?
So it is something point something.
3 point something. 3 point something?
What's the something?
I don't know, 5?
Sure.
3.5?
Do you reckon that's 3.5 miles?
Yeah.
How far do you reckon, Geordie?
I don't know, I'm rubbish at miles.
I reckon it's. What's it say on that sign?
You can't cheat!
No, it's not on there. 2.5 miles?
How much was it?
1.18 miles.
That's it?
Just over a mile.
Is that it?
That's all we did.
That's less than a mile and a quarter.
It's rubbish.
Dopes, come on. They're both 50 done, eh?
Yeah. Alright, boys, in the car.
In the car. In the car. In the car. In the car. Come on. Good boy.
In all my time, it's the first time someone's had, like, sort of looks at me and goes, "You don't."
That's hysterical that she actually stopped,
Well, no, she was just checking.
turned around.
I was just checking if I was alright.
Yeah, no,
Sweat.
that's really nice.
Sweat everywhere.
Well, I was waiting at the top of the steps, watching you walk down, and I saw you stop. I was like, and then you started walking again.
Yeah, because I was struggling a bit.
Yeah, slippers,
Yeah.
slippery. Right then, in the car we get.